morning, students. So we shall start with exercise number 2.3, the examples based on functions. So in the previous class, when I took the Google Meet interaction, I told you to solve the first main from exercise number 2.3. So first main solve madlik helidde. I'll give you the solutions. Please see it, verify your answers. Which of the following relations are functions? So function definition in ಹೇಳ್ತದ, every element in set A should have one and only one image in set B. That is what it should have, unique image in set B. Okay, if you check the first example here, 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 15, 1. So all the elements are 2 is having one image, 5 is having an image, 8 is having an image, 11 is having an image, 14 is having an image, and 17 is having an image. So yes, it is a function because every element has a unique image. Okay. Second one, 2 is having the image 1, 4 is having the image 2, 6 is having the image 3, 8 is having the image 4, 10 is having image 5, 12 is having image 6, and 14 is having image 7. Yes, it is also a function because every element in set A has only one image in set B. Third one, 1, 3, 1, 5 and 2, 5. So here the element 1 is having two images. One image is 3, one image is 5. So ಎರಡು ಪೇರ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಬಂದ್ವು, ಈಗ 2 ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಬಂದ್ವು. Therefore third one, it is not a function because the element 1 is having two images. Clear? So every element should have unique image. Naditada, if it is same image also, no problem, but one element in the domain should not be repeated. So domain na node bidri, ನೀವು domain ಏನಾರು repeat ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ then it will be not a function. So this is first main. Okay, now I'll move to the second main. Find domain and range of the following functions. What is the first function given to you? F of x is equal to minus modulus of x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, x ಅಂದ್ರನೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. Your f of x will be range. Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. f of x is equal to positive modulus of x when x values are greater than or equal to 0, and it is minus x when x values are less than 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಇದು, so therefore you get here f of x is what? Minus modulus of x means x values less than 0, and you know that x should belong to the set of real numbers. Yakandra, because this is modulus function. Modulus function ellindalli define ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. f is defined from R to R. Therefore x belongs to the set of real numbers means your domain is real numbers. You can write it R. So range andra f of x. What is f of x? It is what? X less than 0 because minus modulus of x ada. So range will be what? All real numbers. But exception is what? Positive reals. So positive real numbers are not included. Only negative real numbers is your range. So range of this function ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? It will be negative real numbers. So domain is ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ನೀವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. Okay, so this is domain and range of the first one. So second one, f of x is equal to root of 9 minus x square. So what is the second function? F of x is equal to root of 9 minus x square. So to understand this example, you should know a little bit of complex numbers, but complex numbers is not yet over for you all. ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 9 minus 1 square is 8. Okay, 9 minus 2 square is 4, root of 5. 9 minus 3 square is what? 9. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Up to 3 you can substitute. If suppose you yakandre 3 mata yakandre 0, right of 3 square is equal to what? Root of 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So 3 is the highest number you can substitute here. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು 4 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. x is equal to 4 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ root of 9 minus 4 square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so this will be equal to root of 9 minus 16. What is root of 9 minus 16? It is minus 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. Since minus 9 minus 16 is minus 7. So minus 7 is what you have to write it as I root 7, which is a complex number. So nimd real numbers ellanu enagirbeka, it should not contain minus sign inside the square root. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವೇರ್ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ -1, ವೇರ್ ಐ ರೂಟ್ 7 is what? It is a complex number. Therefore you cannot take the values greater than 3. Greater than 3 ಯಾವ್ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 4, 5, 6, any value if you substitute, you are getting a complex number which is not a real number. Here we are taking only real valued functions. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ರಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ your domain will be real numbers, whereas domain will be from -3 to +3. So domain of this function should lie between -3 to +3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, x value ನಿಮ್ದು -3 ಲಿಂದ +3 ಇರಬೇಕು. So domain we write it like this: x such that x value belongs to R and x value should lie between -3 to +3. So domain of this function lies from -3 to +3. What happens if you take more than 3? It leads to a complex number. Okay. So range find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Range ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ದು? Greater than 0 ಇರಬೇಕು. So range of this function should be always from x such that x belongs to R. It will be from 0 to 3, not more than 3 again. Okay, so range is from 0 to 3. Okay, so once you get done with complex number, you will understand this example better. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಕಿಂತ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೊಮೇನ್ -3 ಲಿಂದ +3 ಇರ್ತದ, ರೇಂಜ್ 0 ಲಿಂದ 3 ವರೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತದ. So this is second mean. So domain of the function is from -3 to +3 and range is from 0 to 3. Okay. From this chapter they are not asking such kind of questions, but exercise nalli irodrinda madistta idini. All 7 functions enidavala, you have to practice them well. Okay, I hope these two examples are clear. We'll move to the third main. So third main, what it has given, f of x is equal to 2x minus 5 and find f of 0, f of 7, f of -3. Bhal simple ada. f of 0 andre ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. f of 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. f of -3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ -3 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. So first one solve ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. f of 0 will be equal to 2 into 0 minus 5. So which is equal to -5. So second one, f of 7, this is equal to 2 into 7 minus 5. 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9. Third one, f of -3. So 2 into -3 minus 5. So 2 3s are 6, -6 minus 5, which is equal to -11. So very simple one. So x value at the point 0, x value at the point 7, x value at the point -3. So 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -5 ಬಂತ, 7 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9 ಬಂದದ, -3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -11 ಬಂದದ. Just check out all the values once again. So this is third example from your textbook. Okay. Next I'll move to the fourth one. So fourth one, what they have given, the function t which maps from temperature degree to degree Celsius. So degree Celsius in the degree Fahrenheit mapping ಆಗ್ತದ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರವ್ರ, ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಇಂದ ಫ್ಯಾರನ್ಹೀಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಂತ. ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 9c ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಟಿ ಆಫ್ 0 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವು 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 9 into c value is how much? 0 divided by 5 plus 32. 9 into 0 is 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. So 0 plus 32, you are getting it as 32 degrees. Degree Fahrenheit, sorry. You are converting it. So degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Second one. T of 28. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ C ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 28 substitute ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay. So what you are doing here, you are substituting. T of 28 find ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ C ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 28 substitute ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. So this will be equal to, so what is the LCM here? It is 5. If you take LCM and simplify, you are getting 412 divided by 5, which is equal to 82.4. Okay. So first one, T of 0, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ? You have got it as 32 degree Fahrenheit. Second one, what you have done, T of 28, which is equal to 82.4. Okay. Third one, T of -10. So Okay, t of minus 10. So in the place of c, you have to substitute minus 10. So t of c is equal to what is given formula, 9c divided by 5 plus 32. So c value is given as minus 10. So 9 into minus 10 divided by 5 plus 32. So here you can cancel 5 ones are 5 twos are. T of minus 10 will be equal to 9 twos are 18 minus 18 plus 32, which is equal to 14. Okay, first three I have solved here. You can check. So first t of 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ c ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. 9 into 0 divided by 5 plus 32, 0 plus 32, it is 32 degrees. Next t of 28 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so c ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 9 into 28, 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 32 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. You are getting the answer as 82.4. Next t of minus 10 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 9 into minus 10 divided by 5 plus 32. Here one more fourth question is given as t of c value is 212. Under t of c value ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. You have to find the value of c. Okay, so fourth one I am solving here. T of c given as 212. So you have to find the value of c. T of c is equal to what? 9c divided by 5 plus 32. So t of c is how much? 212 is equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. So I take 32 this side. 212 minus 32 is equal to 9c divided by 5. So this will be equal to what? 2 minus 2, 0, 11 minus 3, 8, 180 is equal to what? 9c divided by 5. So I take cross multiply. 180 into 5 is equal to 9c. So c is equal to 180 into 5 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 20s are. So this is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಾರ ಅವರು, ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 212 is equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32 ಅದ. ಸೊ 212 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, 32 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 32 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, is equal to 9c divided by 5 as it is. 212 minus 32 is 180. 180 is equal to 9c divided by 5. So cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 180 into 5 is equal to 9c ಆಯ್ತು. 180 into 5 divided by 9 is equal to 100 degree Celsius. So what is the value of c here? You are getting 100 degree Celsius. So these are 4 questions. So fifth question. Find the range of the following. So first one is what? F of x is equal to 2 minus 3x where x is greater than 0. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನು, x greater than 0. x greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ what about minus 3x? ಇಲ್ಲೇನದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Minus 3x will be less than 0. So next 2 ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. So adding 2 on both the sides. 2 minus 3x is less than 0 plus 2. 2 minus 3x is less than 2. What is 2 minus 3x? It is f of x given is less than 2. So nim values less than 2 irtade. Range they have told you to find. Range will be equal to from 2 to minus infinity. So 2 linda start ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. All the values less than 2 up to infinity. All real numbers from 2. Okay, given condition x greater than 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದದ minus 3x, minus 2x ಇದ್ರೆ minus 2x ತಗೋಬೇಕು, minus 3x. So minus sign ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it will be less than 0. Then what number you require here? 2. So adding 2 on both the sides. 2 minus 3x is less than 2. So f of x is less than 2. Second one, x square plus 2. So I take here x greater than or equal to 0. What about x square? It will be also greater than 0. 1 is greater than or equal to 0. 1 square is also greater than or equal to 0. 2 is greater than or equal to 0. 2 square 4 is also greater than or equal to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಬೇಕಾ so add 2 on both the sides greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. What is x square plus 2? It is f of x. So f of x is greater than or equal to 2. So all the values greater than 2. So 2 to infinity. This is your range. Last one, it is f of x is equal to x, whereas x is a real number. Therefore, last one range will be real numbers only. Because f of x is equal to x. X itself is real number. Therefore, f of x will be also real numbers. Just see all the values once. This is 0. So first x greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ನ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಮೈನಸ್ 3x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು? 2 minus 3x is less than 0 plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 2 minus 3x is less than 2. f of x is less than 2. So range of your function is from minus infinity to 2. Similarly, if you take this one, second one, x is a real number. X greater than or equal to 0. X square is also greater than or equal to 0. What number you require here? 2. So x square plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. f of x is greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. So the range of this is 2 to infinity. So this completes exercise number 2.3. So few miscellaneous examples I'm going to solve which are asked frequently for your examinations. The first one is what? F of x is equal to x square where x value is from 0 to 3 and 3x where 3 is lying between 3 to 10. Next, g of x, ಎರಡು functions ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, f of x, g of x. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗು x square is lying between 0 to 2 and 3x is between 0 to 10. Show that f is a function whereas g is not a function. So first check ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ತಗೋತೀನಿ to substitute for x. So first one f of x ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. f of x is equal to x square ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3x. So x value ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, that is 3. x square means 3 square which is equal to 9. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So it is a function because it has the unique image. So 3 is an element which is having one image, that is 9. Second, g of x ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನೀಗ. So g of x value x square 3x. Value is what? 2. 2 square is 4. This 2 I am going to substitute. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So here the element 2 is having two images. One image 4, another image 6. Therefore g of x is not a function. Since it has how many images? 2 images. Since it is having 2 images, it will not form a function. Okay. So this is first miscellaneous example. Just see the steps once. So one the extreme value na ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ? x value. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು one value check ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So extreme value 3 ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. 3 square 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 is having only one image, that is 9. Next, idrolaga extreme value yaudada 2 ada. 2 square 4 ಆಗ್ತದ. 2 into 3 6 ಆಗ್ತದ. So the element 2 is having two images. One is 4, one is 6. So function definition in ಹೇಳ್ತದ, every element should have unique image ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದ. Therefore, the function given g of x is not a function. Okay. So next example. Two examples are the last of miscellaneous. So f of x is equal to x square. Find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. Okay. So f of x is equal to ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರವರು x square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. So f of 1.1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.1 square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. f of 1 ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 1 square ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so you can write now f of 1.1 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ 1.1 square minus 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. Okay, just to see the steps. f of 1.1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 1.1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 1.1 square. 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 square. 1.1 square is what? 1.21 minus 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1 is how much? 0.1. So this is equal to 0.21 divided by 0.1, which is equal to 2.1. See the steps once. Okay. Last example. Find domain of the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 2, 12. So this is of which kind of function? This is of the function f of x divided by g of x. Rational function f of x divided by g of x. This condition in namda g of x should not be equal to 0. So g of x andre e function na I consider this function x square minus 8x plus 12. I rationalize this function first into last term ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 12x square ಬರ್ತದ. So you can write 6 2s. So x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. Quadratic equation solve ಮಾಡೋದು. x minus 6. Okay, minus 2 into bracket x minus 6. So this are your roots. What are the roots of this function? One is x minus 6, one more is x minus 2. So new value x is equal to 6 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ 6 square 36 minus 8 into 6 48 plus 12. So it becomes 0. 2 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ 2 square 4 minus 8 2s are 16 plus 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So your g of x value becomes 0 when x is equal to 6 and when x is equal to 2. So g of x value yavag 0 ಆಗ್ತದ once when x is 6 and when x is 2. So your domain should be what? Set of all real numbers except 6 and 2. So 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ numbers ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು real numbers. So you can also write domain of f is equal to what? Real numbers minus 2, 6. So except 2 and 6, all the real numbers you can consider. So ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಈ ತರದ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವೇರ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. So this completes exercise number 2.3. All the examples including miscellaneous. So functions chapter is completed. Relations and functions chapter is completed. So I'll be starting next chapter from the next class, that is trigonometric functions. Thank you.